Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be refreshing my hair to try to get this wash and go to last at least 3 more days. The old me would have not done this before. I would not like refresh my hair or add water to my hair. I wouldn't think that there's no saving hair when it just looks like this, because I would think I just have to wash my hair all over again, and I don't have time for that. So I would probably have just thrown it in a bun and left it in a bun for the next 3 days while being dry and knotted, and probably just put product here, and that's it. And that just causes breakage, fallout, and it's just not good for your hair. And when your hair is super dry, it's super prone to breakage. So I've learned that it's a lot better to just rehydrate your hair using the products that you've already used, or just something hydrating that you feel is good for your hair, and just do it again. Because the less I tie up my hair, the better my hair is. So I'm just going to be reusing the product that I used this week, which was the all-in-one repair, hydrate, and style serum thing, the step 3 from the Lust brands, and add some, oh, where is it? Okay, I found it. I'm just going to add some jojoba oil to keep everything on the lighter side. So I feel like the styler and some oil would really add some moisture. So this is really going to lock the moisture from this, because I feel like the moisture in this doesn't last very long. And some water, my microfiber towel, so that my hair doesn't like soak through my outfit, since, you know, this is like once in a blue that I actually wear white clothes. So this is how I slept with my hair. I had 2 pineapples, my scarf and my bonnet fell off while I was sleeping. So I just left it like this, got dressed, got ready, and now I'm just going to do my hair quickly because I'm running late for work and I gotta hurry up and get ready. Okay, so I'm just going to keep my hair sectioned and just wet these parts and then rake the products through it, so it's so super dry. Do you see this? It's so dry, like so dry. So let's add some life back into this hair. I'm just going to rake my fingers through some parts that are still not as tangled, which is like my ends right now. But I'm not going to bring it all the way through because I know not everything is untangled. And we're pressed with time. We don't got time to be going through the whole part. Add some oil to seal that moisture in. So here's this side versus this side that I didn't add moisture to. If you're pressed for time, I would recommend to do this before getting ready, so that while you're getting ready, your hair is getting dry and you have to run out and you're not necessarily going in a car or anything like that. But if not, what I do, since I'm just going to be working from home, I put the heater on behind me, and while I work, my hair starts to get dry, like, you know, like a little portable heater for the room space heater. I use that. Yeah, or I would have, if I was driving to work, I would have been just put the heater on and let my hair dry in my commute, because it's not like literally the first day of wash and go. It's just, you know, it's not as much water, you know, it's not dripping wet, it's just some water. And remember, we're not looking for perfection. We're not looking for that day 1, day 2, day 3 hair. We're just refreshing, adding moisture, you know, bringing back some definition to prolong our wash and go just a little bit longer. So I washed my hair on Thursday. today is Monday, so I'm gonna wash my hair again like Wednesday. I recommend that you try to be as gentle as possible because you will have knots. I'm gonna keep the part that I had. You can make a new part if you want, if it happens. So I am going to let my hair air dry. Something that occurred to me could also diffuse, but I'm just going to let my hair air dry for some time, and then I'll come back and show you the dry results. Okay guys, so my hair is pretty dry. Like the bottom part is completely dry. I think just in the back, the roots is a little bit damp, so it's like 96% dry. Yeah, I think most parts are really dry, but just a little bit damp. So now, wherever I am during the day, I would take the crunch out and get myself some volume. So doing it like this, I get more volume than my first day hair because, you know, it's not completely, the roots weren't completely flat. I didn't smooth down too much the roots because up here I have some more knots and I didn't want to get too far up there, but now I can just scrunch it out, get some volume, because some parts were a little bit like crunchy and just not really super defined, so it's better to just give those parts volume. I still see like the white particles from that product, but you don't see that in my hair. So, and that's it. I'm good. I think this should be good for the next 3 days. This is how it dried. A really drastic before and after, right? Because before it was looking so dry and so dull. Now we have some shine and it looks way better. After a good refresh day, this is the best time to try out some different hairstyles. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe down below.